Your VP Sales has asked you to make a change to the opportunity stage field. Sounds simple, right? Using ForeSight, you can run a full impact analysis to truly understand the potential impact and risk of the change you are about to make. You can easily begin a new analysis by searching for the stage field. Select the field and quickly analyze it. You can then see a clear visualization of the dependencies between the components within your org with a focus on the opportunity stage field. But take a look at that. The Apex class popped up here. This is not such a small change after all. You'll probably need to talk to your developer before you make the change. You can hover over the Apex class and view the source code. You can then see exactly where within the code there is a reference to the opportunity stage field. ForeSight reveals this dependency and helps you realize that this Apex class will be potentially impacted. You might have missed this otherwise, and now you know that you need to involve your developer and you can easily collaborate with them on this change.